What if every abandoned Shopify checkout could receive a personalized product video automatically, without your team creating each video by hand? In this demo, I'll show you an n8n workflow that finds an abandoned checkout, creates a Zvid video from the products left behind, sends a recovery email, and prevents follow-up reminders once the customer completes the purchase. The goal is simple: recover more revenue with a personal, relevant message that outperforms a standard abandoned cart email. The workflow uses saved product images, titles, prices, variants, quantities, and cart total to create a vertical video. Customer email, phone, and recovery links never enter the video project. It runs manually for testing, or automatically every 15 minutes. It finds and locks one eligible checkout, preventing parallel runs from contacting the same shopper twice. After the waiting period, the workflow checks Shopify again. It stops if the shopper has placed an order, if a related draft order exists, if the product is unavailable, or if Shopify has already sent a conflicting recovery message. Only after all safety checks pass does the workflow create and validate the personalized Zvid project. Before running it, connect 3 services. First, create a Shopify app with read access to orders, customers, and products. Store the generated Shopify-Access-Token in an n8n header auth credential using the header name X-Shopify-Access-Token. Second, install the official Zvid community node package from Settings, Community Nodes. The exact name is shown on screen. It starts with the @ symbol, then Zvid/n8n-nodes-zvid. Install the latest version. Then open app.zvid.io, go to API keys, create a key, and save it in an n8n Zvid credential. Never paste either token directly into the workflow. Assign the Shopify credential to the 3 Shopify request nodes. Find open abandoned checkouts, confirm conversion before delivery, and confirm conversion before follow-up. Then assign the Zvid credential to validate project, save draft to editor, submit render, and get render status. The config node controls the demonstration. For a safe first test, set manual fixture to true, dry run to true, and send email to false. Manual fixture uses example data, not a real Shopify customer. Dry run validates the project and saves an editable Zvid draft without starting a paid render. Email delivery stays disabled until you intentionally test it. For this demo, our fictional shopper is Alex. Alex left one clay pocket oversized tee, size medium, in the cart. The workflow maps the product title, Shopify image, price, variant, quantity, and cart total into the video. In production, these values come directly from the selected abandoned checkout. Now, let's execute the safe preview. The dry run summary confirms that the project is valid and gives us a Zvid editor link for review. Here is the generated vertical preview, using the exact product data from our fixture. Once the preview is approved, switch dry run to false. The false output now routes to submit render instead of save draft to editor. The official Zvid nodes submit the project and check the render status until the MP4 video is ready. Let's run it. The render completed successfully, and the finished video is available in the workflow output. To test real delivery, set Send Email to True. Next, open Credentials and create an SMTP account. Enter the host, port, username, password, and sender details supplied by your email provider, then save the credential. Keep the password inside n8n. Never place it in a code node or sticky note. Finally, assign that SMTP credential to both Send Initial Recovery Email and Send Follow-up Recovery Email. In production, the recipient is read dynamically from the Shopify checkout. That's it. Thanks for watching.